Good evening, everyone. I am Dr. Aman Khera. I'm the co-founder of Care for Parents, and I welcome you all today to this very interesting program and a discussion on natural ways to build immunity in the elderly population. सबसे पहले हमारे मन में क्वेश्चन आता है कि व्हाट इज इम्यूनिटी? इम्यूनिटी बेसिकली इन वेरी सिंपल टर्म्स अगर हम एक्सप्लेन करें इज द नेचुरल डिफेंस मैकेनिज्म दैट इज प्रेजेंट इन द बॉडी. This defense mechanism helps us to prevent infections and the diseases and complications related to the infections. हम सब ने ऑब्जर्व किया है, नोट किया है, कई बारी हम बीमार जल्दी पड़ जाते हैं. सर्टन टाइम्स कई वेदर में हमारे को इन्फेक्शन जल्दी हो जाती हैं. हमने ये भी नोट किया है कि कुछ लोग जल्दी बीमार हो जाते हैं. हम अपने परिवार में देखते हैं, फैमिली में देखते हैं, सम पीपल दे टेंड टू कैच इन्फेक्शंस, कोल्ड, कॉमन कोल्ड जल्दी हो जाता है, कईयों को नहीं होता. What can be the reason? Why is this that some people fall sick faster and some people don't fall sick faster? What would be the reason behind this? The answer is very simple. The levels of immunity in the body, they change. They are different. Some people have a higher level of immunity, some people have a low level of immunity. Sometimes the immunity level goes down in our body, sometimes they move up in our body. So this is the basic reason that why some people fall sick faster and some people don't. एल्डरली लोगों में ये देखा गया है दैट दे टेंड टू फॉल सिक फास्टर. देयर लेवल ऑफ इम्यूनिटी डिक्रीजेस. नो, व्हाई इज दैट? व्हाट हैपेंस इज, होता क्या है कि जैसे जैसे एज बढ़ती है, आवर लाइफस्टाइल टेंड्स टू बिकम मोर सेडेंटरी. हमारी एक्टिविटी लेवल्स कम हो जाती हैं, एंड वंस द एक्टिविटी लेवल्स कम डाउन, आवर डाइट गोज डाउन. हम सोचते हैं कि हम कम खाना खा लेंगे क्योंकि हमारी एक्टिविटी कम है. Now, this has a very big effect on the level of immunity. Why? हम अगर खाना नहीं खाएंगे, डाइट हमारी कम हो जाएगी, तो हमारे न्यूट्रिएंट्स जो हम ले रहे हैं बॉडी में, हमारे विटामिन्स, मिनरल्स, प्रोटीन, व्हाट all that tend to go down, and that is very important for building the levels of immunity in our body. So हमारे को फिर माइंड में we'll have a question that what should we do to improve the levels of immunity? What are the natural ways by which we can try to improve the level of immunity? Scientists have come with, they say that if you sleep well, very important, and when you grow, as we grow old, sleeping well is very important for building immunity. Less stress, tensions कम हो जाएंगी, stress कम करेंगे, automatically our levels of immunity will improve. Regular exercise, very important factor. If we do regular exercise, it helps us to improve the level of immunity. And a very, very important factor, like I mentioned before, is the quality of diet. Improving the quality of diet helps the immunity levels to build up. Now, to explain all this, today we have invited Mrs. Komal Jain with us. Mrs. Komal Jain is also a member of our family of Care for Parents, and that's how she understands that the immunity levels are very important for the elderly and what they should do. She is a passionate farmer and a good cook. Very interesting to know that. She's an entrepreneur. She has started her business by the name of So Fresh. And she has one very important, when I was reading about her, itna lamba unka detail tha, which is if I start talking about that, it will take a long time. But one thing which she was which I found very interesting is that she strongly believes that use of chemicals in food, जो हमारी खेती में during plantations and during in the farms, the use of chemicals, they do a lot of harm. जो chemicals हम डालते हैं उसमें खेतों में और cooking के time, so they do a lot of harm. So she is a very strong believer that the organic food helps a lot in developing good immunity. So we welcome you, Komalji. Thank you so much for joining us and taking out your time. And we hope that today will be an interesting session, understanding how the immunity should be improved. And मेरी एक दरख्वास्त है सबसे, like every time I say that if you have any questions, queries, doubts, you want to ask something, please feel free. Komal ji has taken out her valuable time. Let's make use of that. Thank you so much. Over to you, Komal ji.
Thank you, Dr. Aman. Thank you for such a wonderful introduction. So, friends, as Aman ji has already told you how important it is to, improve our lifestyle. in today's scenario, especially to improve our immunity. So, I always believe that you have to start growing your own food for that. Let me just start straight away from this point that, you have to start growing your own food. Like I have been farming for myself for the last 25 years now. And we use all bio green fertilizers in our farms. We don't use any chemicals, like Dr. Aman has said. And then mainly, why I started all this was because there was so much of magnitude of chemicals in the food that we were eating, and we were all falling sick all the time. So to improve our health, we had to choose this path. So my mission was that I wanted to promote the natural and chemical free way of life and be disease free. So, and how can we do that? Can you tell me, in case anyone has anything to ask, like how can we do that? Any suggestions? Okay, so no problem, I will tell you. So we can do that only by improving our immunity. That is the only way. If our immunity is good, our health will be good. It is as simple as that. So what is immunity exactly? Immunity is the ability to fight diseases and be disease free and be healthy. A strong immune system can naturally shield the body against diseases without relying on man-made drugs, chemicals, and unnatural treatments. Our body has been designed to protect us against diseases, and it is also a self-repair mechanism. This is majorly the responsibility of the immune system. So just imagine, if you're not able to make a self-mechanism system, a self-defense system, all the diseases will start attacking you very freely. Like especially, various disorders will just start attacking you. There will be dental problems, there will be mental problems, indigestion, congestion, skin problems, rashes, eyesight problems, even chronic illnesses like cancer and lung diseases. And nowadays scenario, you can say COVID, corona, all these things you're more acceptable, you're more acceptable to these if your immunity is not good. And what do we generally do to avoid these problems? It's a very quick fix method. We just simply pop up pills. We put in chemically laden creams, ointments, which are laid with, so many steroids. And as you all know, how steroids are so bad for us. To make one disease all right, we invite 10 others more. So steroids is not the answer for that. There is an alternate way also. That is the natural way of healing. So we should adopt that. And, it is very, very simple. We have to just make a few lifestyle changes and we can easily achieve it. We have to switch to organic food, and we can create healthy cells in our body by making changes in our diet. Your diet can change your genes. This has been proven time and again. Food is the medicine, and medicine is the food. Socrates, he is a philosopher, thinker. So even in ancient times, people were thinking about how to treat yourself naturally rather than going for medicines and going for the side effects. So basically, natural food, if you have, it is a long-term disease-free way of living, which you will be inviting in your life. So then we have to boost our mechanism to do all this. So then what do we have to do? We have to go back to the roots, to nature. We have to adopt a natural way. It's as simple as that. To reach such levels of fitness, again, we have to start eating natural and organic food. If possible, we have to start growing our own food, like I do. We produce our own food at our farms, like fruits, vegetables, some few nuts, grains. Nowadays, the winter season is coming. So, we grow in all the leafies and everything. And we use whatever we can at our farm, whatever we want to use at our homes. And the rest we started selling out also now, so that more and more people can reach and have this good food. So that is how I started So Fresh. And, I wanted people to just taste it all and see the difference, how it is making to their health. And suddenly there was a great demand for it. And so we started growing in more variety. For example, like palak. So now if you can get palak from the market, it'll be first of all a few days old, plus cold storage में उसको रखते हैं plug करने के बाद. फिर कहाँ से आई है, किस farm से आई है, उसमें कितने chemicals डालते हैं. Fertilizers are really, really bad. They're using urea and everything, which will just spoil your stomach, intestines, your liver, everything. It'll attack it absolutely straight. So to avoid all this, we can use green fertilizers when we grow. Suppose we don't have farms, we don't have big lands to grow. We can start growing in pots. I can always help out people who are interested. We can give them good organic seeds. We have our own network of, we barter system seeds from each other, from each farmer, and so on. If people are interested, please do let Dr. Aman know or Care for Parents know. You can easily reach out to me. We can help you out by giving seeds, by giving green fertilizers. We have cows at the farm. We make our own fertilizers. So, we use like cow dung and cow urine, and the many, many ancient ways. Like we follow the ancient ways of farming, which has Bij Amrit, Jeev Amrit, Ghana Jeev Amrit. ये सब चीजों से क्या करते हैं? There are actually just no chemicals. It is all chemical free, no preservatives, nothing. So whatever grows out is absolutely pure, and उसकी nutritious value इतनी ज़्यादा होती है that it will give you so much of, it'll be full of those vitamins, important minerals, important like even zinc, magnesium, like like suppose you have all the dark colored vegetables like spinach, like say all the red bell peppers, carrots, all these things have beta carotene in them. So this really helps you out to give you good eyesight, to give you it's light on your stomach, easily digestible. So now I have told you how important it is to have all these good self-grown foods, which are available at many platforms today. You can order online anywhere you want. We deliver to your homes everywhere. So another thing was that you must be seeing itne ads on TV of the oils, of the the way they present. This is the safest thing to have. All the food ads and everything. People get carried away and they just without thinking keep ordering. So you have to choose what you have to eat. You just cannot blindfoldedly follow them. You have to just choose the right food. If you choose it is going to give you benefits. It's going to give you all the nutrition that your body would need. And for example, like I can give you an example of people of Okinawa. This is a town in Japan where the average age of these Japanese people is 97 plus years. Today also, if you go and visit them, these Okinawians, they are called, they eat healthy. And the main उनका क्या राज है, वो इतना कैसे इतनी लाइफ उनकी longevity कैसे होती है वो. They are also human beings. They are also like us only, but still, why are they living for so long? Why are they so healthy? They're able to walk at this age. They do all their work. Why? Because if you think about it, it is all about the diet. So their diet consists of omega-3, omega-6, all the important vitamins and minerals, which they grow themselves. They're cooking themselves. They are, using very healthy oils for cooking. And basically, their lifestyle is very, very active. So this is what helps them to reach this level of longevity. And why go to Japan? Look at our own Indian culture, our ancestors. If you look at our ancestral history, you will see our ancestors were more healthier. They had solid bodies. They had, the bodies were like more solid than ours compared to today's people. Today, people of our age, they were more healthier. Why? Have you ever thought about it? They were using very healthy oils, very healthy food. They were, whatever seasonal they were eating, they were not going for the preservative foods in cans, in cold storage foods. Seasonal food is what is really important also to have. Because जो season का होता है उसमें सारे nutritious value intact रहते हैं. क्योंकि cold storage में रखते हैं तो they die out. All the nutritious value they die out. So it is very important to have seasonal food. So that is what they were all having. So we have to actually go back to the roots, as I said earlier, and we have to choose organic. So friends, today let me talk about some cold pressed oils, because that is a topic which I know can really, really help you to lead a very healthy lifestyle and take you towards being disease free. I have been following this for myself, for my family, for the last so many years, and I've seen the changes, I've seen the benefits it has. So cold pressed oil is an oil which can be extracted mainly out of a nut or a seed or a flower, and it is not heated. When you take out the oil, you straight away just crush the seeds or the nuts or the flower, and you just take out the oil out of it in a very natural way. Like we do it on a wooden chakka machine, because the value stays intact. More nutritious value is there retained in it if we do it by that system. And if we use refined oils, then what they do is they smoke it at such, they boil it and boil it at such high level of heat that उसमें कुछ बचता ही नहीं है. There is no nutritious value. So if you look at most of the refined oils, the color is the same, it's transparent, there is no aroma. Whereas if you will look at the cold pressed organic oils, they will all be different colors. Like groundnut oil will be different color, mustard oil will be different, almond oil will be different, because that is the real color. And plus, of course, you can get the good aroma of it, which is really important, because you have to eat the best to get the best body, to be disease free, and to increase your immunity. You have to just follow these natural ways. So, friends, then today I will talk to you about. Let me start with groundnut oil. See, like this oil is there. This is a groundnut oil. This is a cold pressed groundnut oil. So if you will see the color, it is like a pale yellow color. So if you use this oil, you can use it easily in your cooking. It is so good that you can even fry in it. You can cook in it. And friends, anyone has heart problems here, high cholesterol, high BP, if anyone does have that problem, it can be solved by
high
having
BP is
groundnut
the
oil.
problem in one of my.
Yeah.
She's hypertensive, high BP problem, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yeah. So which oil is best for her?
How old is she?
67.
Yeah. So I would say that groundnut oil will be really good for her, because groundnut oil, it is excellent for reducing your cholesterol, your BP levels, because it has.
Her BP is not because of high cholesterol. It's related to hypertension.
Yeah. So this oil is trans fat free actually.
Okay.
The groundnut oil is trans fat free.
Yeah. Okay.
So you can make her have that. I think it should benefit her a lot. And because it has a low saturated fat value, so it will boost her immunity, and it has good source of phytosterols, which, as you're saying, because of a BP problem, this is going to help her. This is a great cooking option for her. So people who have cholesterol, heartburn, heart problem, this oil is good because this is trans fat free.
What about rice bran oil, ma'am? Rice bran oil. What about that? Is it superior than groundnut?
It depends on. You'll have to try it. I'm not so sure about rice bran oil, but definitely it's groundnut is a nut oil first of all. So having a nut oil is more beneficial than having a rice bran oil, because rice bran will again have some carbs in it, but this oil will not have any carbs also. So that is the difference.
Yeah, exactly.
This will be more lighter for her. But anyway, since this is all, you'll have to try. What I suggest is groundnut oil, but you can even try rice bran oil. Maybe that also suits her. But seeing her BP and all, I would definitely suggest groundnut oil.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Yeah.
I'll just say something in this.
Yeah.
As what has been pointed out by Dr. Shabiru. See, what happens is hypertension and high blood pressure are primarily the same things. So what happens is like what Komalji is saying, that oils which tend to reduce cholesterol, it's very important to use those type of oils, because whenever there's hypertension, there is always some correlation with high cholesterol, and that these both basically, they join together and start augmenting the early onset of the heart disease. So, like Komalji is saying, that oils which reduce cholesterol is very, very important if you have high blood pressure.
Yeah.
Dr. Aman, can I ask one question?
Yes, please.
What about ghee? Komalji, I want to ask, can we eat ghee, cow ghee, like A2 ghee? They say it's good.
Yeah, slowly
So,
I would have come to that. But
yeah,
anyway,
just
since you
something.
pointed out, so like, see, nowadays this ghee is there, A2 ghee. So this is a very, very popular ghee nowadays. And why people are going in for A2? Because, it has good enzymes. A2 is it's a particle in the milk, which is made from Gir cows or Sahiwal cows. Basically, cows, these are Desi Indian cows. They give out a milk of variety called A2 milk, जिससे हम A2 घी बनाते हैं. तो उससे क्या करते हैं, like how we make it is through the Bellona process. Bellona process से क्या होता है? They're taking out all the fat from the milk, and then only the charge is left. तो उससे क्या है, हमारा fat content तो निकल गया. So all the fat has gone, so that will lead you to a good level of cholesterol in your body. Good level of good cholesterol will form in your body if you have ghee out of A2 milk with Bellona process. And it has good enzymes which are there, which will line your stomach to give you better digestion, to give you, no gas problems. It has omega-6 also. So the A2 ghee, it has omega-6, which will really, really improve your immunity. And it is good for heart again.
Ma'am, is it available in the market?
Huh?
E2 brand available in the market?
Yes, it is available. You can get many brands. Even we have it from SoFresh India. Later on, you can contact Care for Parents and they can give you all the details.
Okay, that's
from
fine.
where to get it. We deliver pan in India everywhere. And it is high in nutrition and it makes you, your bones strong. So any problem, anybody who wants to really improve their immunity, they must go in for A2 ghee as well. It has omega-6, it has vitamin 2, E and D. So this really helps you to reduce, it's a good remedy for gas, for indigestion, for better, किसी को भूख कम लगती है. When we're all aging, we have these, sometimes भूख कम लगती है. तो थोड़ा A2 ghee खाएंगे तो उससे हमारा, stomach gets better and we are able to, थोड़ा भूख लगता है, so we eat better and we become more stronger. Immunity becomes better. There is no heartburn. Heartburn से भी हमें बहुत इसको खाने से बहुत फर्क पड़ता है. We can start using it in our Indian homes में तो it's very, very common. All of us are using in our daily dal में हम तड़का उससे लगाते हैं. Plus, we are using it in our vegetables also. And the best way, another way nowadays, it's very popular to have this ghee, At night, take a cup of hot milk, put a dash of turmeric in it, and just put a teaspoon of A2 ghee in it. And just have it hot, sip it and have it, and then you sleep at night. आपको इतनी अच्छी नींद आएगी इससे, because it lubricates all your inner body joints. And it will repair your damaged stomach cells. Your stomach lining will be better with it. So your digestion will be better. So automatically when you wake up in the morning, you will feel so light on your stomach. आपको लगेगा ही नहीं कि आपको कुछ heaviness है या heartburn है या gas problem है. ये gas problem के लिए भी बहुत अच्छी है ये, to have A2 ghee. It is also good for, reducing osteoporosis. So A2 ghee has many benefits. So I hope it's clear about A2 ghee, why it's important to have that. So now I will be moving on to our next oil, which is the mustard oil. So
ma'am, I have one question.
Oil, yes.
should BP patient and cholesterol patient consume that A2 cow ghee?
Yes, you can consume, but of course in limits. You
Okay.
cannot go overboard and just have, जैसे आप एक दिन में आराम से you can take about 4 tablespoons in the whole day in all your meals. आप breakfast के time, lunch के time, dinner के time, evening snack के time में भी suppose आप शाम को मुरमुरा वगैरह लेते हैं, उसमें आधा चम्मच घी डाल के उसको भून के खा सकते हैं. It is beneficial. So if you have for a normal person, you can have up to 3 to 4 tablespoons of A2 ghee in the whole day. That is recommended. It is so safe that even you can give it to your grandkids. You
and
know,
for the patient with cholesterol?
Yeah, even for patient with cholesterol, you can have up to 2 tablespoons easily. And best would be if you'll have your reports with you, if you can contact your doctors or your care for parents team and see, just ask them also for their suggestion. It is a very general suggestion that I'm giving you, which generally help out people. But suppose you have some illness or something, it is always better to take your doctor's advice. This is what I will advise.
Thank you.
Yeah. So now, should I move on to mustard oil or any other questions on A2 ghee? Okay. So now this is the oil which I would be recommending. Next oil. This is a mustard oil. ये Indians का favorite oil है, especially people living in West Bengal side and North Indian side. You know, they are very, very fond of सरसों का तेल का खाना. पंजाब में बहुत popular है. West Bengal में Bengalis love to cook their fish, their aloo, all their सूखा vegetables. Even in North Indian homes, हमारे यहाँ सारी सब्जियाँ सूखी सारी सब्जियाँ मस्टर्ड ऑयल में बनाते हैं हम लोग ज्यादातर. क्यों? क्योंकि एक तो इसका हमें टेस्ट बहुत पसंद है. इसका थोड़ा पंजेंट टेस्ट होता है. तो एंड यू नो इट इज अ बिटर ऑयल. तो इफ यू विल गो डाउन हिस्ट्री, आप जितना बिटर सामान खाएंगे, जैसे नीम है, करेला है, ये सब चीजें हैं, ये सब ऐसे ही मस्टर्ड है. मस्टर्ड के सीड्स से जो ये ऑयल बनता है एकदम प्योर ऑयल है, येलो मस्टर्ड. इट इज अ लिटिल बिटर. इफ यू हैव अ लिटिल बिटर, it will always kill out all the infections in your body which are slowly forming. You're not even aware sometimes. Chote infections idhar udhar se. So this bitter oil starts killing all these bad cells, and then it forms out new cells in your body. So this mustard oil, it has omega-3 in it, and it is full of vitamin E, D, and K, which is very important for reducing. Suppose people have chest congestion, किसी को खांसी जुकाम वगैरह है, वो इस ऑयल में पका हुआ खाना खाते हैं तो उनको बहुत फायदा होता है. खाने की ही बात नहीं है, यू कैन इवन अप्लाई इट ऑन योर चेस्ट, ऑन योर फुट फॉर स्लीपिंग, ऑन योर पाम्स, ऑन योर चेस्ट, ऑन योर बैक. थोड़ा सा मस्टर्ड ऑयल लीजिए, हल्का गर्म कीजिए, उससे आप एक ऐसे हल्का हल्का सा मसाज करके लगा के सो जाइए ढक के. इवन फॉर बेबीज, इवन फॉर चिल्ड्रन, इट इज सो बेनिफिशियल कि आपको ये सब अटैक ही नहीं करेगा. You will be avoiding all especially in this changing season. And of course, if people have blood clotting, it is excellent for that. If they have this problem of blood clots happening on and off, ये mustard oil में पका हुआ खाने से हमें बहुत फायदा होता है. उससे हमारे blood clotting problem ठीक हो सकती है. And the best part about mustard oil and groundnut oil is इसका smoke point इतना high होता है इन दोनों oils का कि आप इसमें fry भी कर सकते हैं. So your pakoras, if you feel like having occasionally, बारिश आई है, वो पकौड़ा खाना है, winter time, धूप में बैठ के आपको खाना है पकौड़ा and all, can easily have it fried in mustard oil and groundnut oil rather than any other refined oil, because इसका जो nutrition value oil का भी उसमें जाएगा आपके खाने में, उन fried सामान में, वो भी आपको बहुत फायदा करेगा. And of course, I would recommend again, please have everything in limits. Don't go overboard. कि टॉक में बताया था फ्राइड खाना खा सकते हैं तो इसलिए फ्राइड ही खाएंगे, नथिंग लाइक दैट. प्लीज, वी आर ऑल एजिंग नाउ एंड स्पेशली एट आवर पॉइंट ऑफ आवर एज में, हमारे 50, 60, 70, 80 प्लस पीपल, वी हैव टू डेफिनेटली टेक केयर ऑफ आवर डाइट, हैव एवरीथिंग इन लिमिट्स. एंड मस्टर्ड ऑयल का एक और है फायदा, इसको अगर हम बॉडी पे लगाते हैं, जैसे हमारे एंसेस्टर्स शुरू से, लाइक माय ग्रैंडफादर यूज्ड टू ऑलवेज पुट मस्टर्ड ऑयल ऑन आवर बॉडीज आफ्टर हैविंग अ बाथ. थोड़ा सा 2-3 बूंद लिया और पूरे शरीर पे लगा लिया, उससे क्या होता है, मस्कीटोज पास में नहीं आते, स्पेशली इन नाउ इन दिस सीजन जब डेंगू इतना फैल रहा है। तो अगर आप मस्टर्ड ऑयल लगा के निकलेंगे बाहर, ऑफ कोर्स आई वुड नॉट से बाहर घूमने जाइए और समथिंग, बट कवर्ड कपड़े पहनिए, मस्टर्ड ऑयल लगा के फिर जाइए, तो वेरी there are chances that the mosquitoes won't come near you so much. It's just a recommendation you can try. This has suited us. We are using it for our grandchildren every day. They go out in the park to play, garden में जाते हैं रोज खेलने, पाम पे खेलते हैं, हम सबको mustard oil लगा के, and they all out playing, and they have less chances कि mosquitoes उनके पास आए, और they avoid all these dengue and everything because of this. It's a very, very simple thing to do. Okay, any questions on mustard oil? Okay, so now I will go in for showing you almond oil. So friends, this almond oil is here. This is again made out of a nut, almonds, which is very, very beneficial, especially in this coming winter season. ये आपकी dryness को एकदम खत्म कर देता है. The almond oil, it is so important for especially people who are aging, people who are suffering from osteoporosis or on the onset of getting osteoporosis. So what happens in osteoporosis? Everyone knows your bones get weak, the skeletal system gets weak. So what you have to do is you have to make your immunity strong first of all. So how can you make it strong? Massage with almond oil. Almond oil, it has vitamin D in it. It has vitamin E in it, which is excellent to make your bones stronger, and it has magnesium in it. Main thing is that it is full of magnesium and zinc, which is really important for reducing osteoporosis. I will not say you will be able to remove it totally, but definitely it can help you to bring down your osteoporosis level or strengthen your weak bone. All you have to do is take almond oil and massage your body with it, and just let it be there. Don't have a bath immediately. Let it soak in, let it be there in your body for at least 2 hours. And then maybe you can have your bath. Or if you want to leave it on you after a bath, when your body is all a little bit damp, just take a few drops of almond oil, maybe half a teaspoon, and rub it, massage it with your hands all over your body. This will stay with you 24 hours. And it is so beneficial. You will slowly see, maybe within a few days, you will see that your bones have become stronger. You can do tests like, DEXA test and all, and see the difference before putting and after putting the almond oil. So another way is, क्या होता है when you put this oil, एक तो आपका osteoporosis तो ठीक होता ही है, and automatically dryness it goes. So it's like a complementary thing which comes along with it. आप almond oil लगाएंगे, आपका dryness भी गायब हो जाएगा. So no itchiness for you, no urticaria problem for you, which slowly up when you have itchy rough skin, you invite all these skin problems, they will be solved too. And especially in this coming season when your skin really needs all this oiling. And another way is to, like how you do it externally, massage your body, you have to massage your internal organs also. So how can we do that? We can easily consume the almond oil. So this almond oil, we can just, take 1 teaspoon or 2 teaspoons of it in a cup of hot milk at night before sleeping. And if you have this, आपकी एक तो एंजाइटी खत्म हो जाएगी पूरी, आपकी जो न्यूरोलॉजिकल फंक्शंस है वो भी बेटर होंगे, आपका ब्रेन पावर विल बी बेटर. लाइक बच्चों को भी हम ये दे सकते हैं बिफोर द एग्जाम्स, लाइक नाउ द एग्जाम सीजन इज कमिंग. अपने ग्रैंड किड्स को आप दीजिए, उसके अंदर आप 1 कप गर्म दूध लीजिए रात को. दे डोंट वांट मिल्क, सो मेनी पीपल दे आर वीगन नाउडेज. जस्ट टेक अ कप ऑफ हॉट वाटर, पुट अ डैश ऑफ हल्दी इन इट, just a small haldi in it, and put 1 or 2 teaspoons of almond oil, and just have it in milk or water, whatever you choose, and it will be very, very beneficial for you. ये क्या करता है, आपकी सारी दिमाग की नसें खोल देता है. It has omega 3 and 6, so which is so good, which just relaxes you completely. As I said earlier, zinc and potassium is very important in our system, that it stays intact. But due to the food which we've been eating, हम फास्ट फूड खाते हैं, बाहर का खाना खाते हैं, थोड़ा गंदा खाना खा लेते हैं, वो सबको अवॉइड करने के लिए, उसको सबको अपनी बॉडी को ठीक रखने के लिए हमें ये सब ऑयल्स की जरूरत पड़ती है. So we have to start doing these things, go back to all these oils which our ancestors, which we were using earlier. And another good advantage of almond oil is अगर आप इसको रात को अपने अंडर आई सर्कल्स हो जाते हैं, डार्क सर्कल्स, उसके नीचे मसाज करेंगे तो आपकी सारी की सारी डार्क सर्कल्स ठीक हो जाते हैं. इट इज एंटी एजिंग, सो आप यू विल लुक यंगर एंड मोर ब्यूटीफुल आल्सो. So all these things come automatically. It's like a whole package. If you have this oil, iska ye benefit hota hai, and then automatically you start looking younger. You start looking, people will start complimenting you. So this is the effect of almond oil. Any questions on that? Okay, so now I can move on to the next oil, which I can say is coconut oil. The most common oil nowadays in your cooking, because it is so light on stomach. So this is like pure virgin cold pressed organic coconut oil. It is very, very important to have coconut oil in your diet, because again it will line good enzymes in your stomach. It will kill all the bad cells and make healthy cells in your body. So what we can do is, again, to reduce cholesterol, since it is so light on your stomach, आपका कोलेस्ट्रॉल ठीक हो जाता है इससे. इट इज एंटी इन्फ्लेमेटरी ऑल्सो. सो आपकी कहीं पे भी स्वेलिंग आती है, सबसे पहला रीजन क्या होता है हमारी बॉडी में बीमारियां आने का? कहीं ना कहीं बॉडी में कोई स्वेलिंग आ जाती है, कोई इन्फेक्शन आ जाता है जिसका हमको पता भी नहीं चलता है. एंड देन स्लोली इट विल लीड ऑन टू समथिंग क्रोनिक, मे बी later on, maybe in a few days time or a month's time. So to avoid all these things, what should we do? We should start having food cooked in coconut oil. इट इज वेरी लाइट फॉर योर बॉडी. आपको बिल्कुल हैवीनेस नहीं लगेगी, आपको बहुत अच्छा लगेगा कि खाना भी आपने ठीक से खा लिया और आपको एकदम ऐसे भरा भरा भी नहीं लगेगा. इट इज एक्सीलेंट फॉर योर लिवर. Again, it's all connected. Since it is so good for your liver and intestines, it will reduce your cholesterol also, because it is easily digestible. You can easily digest it. And एक तो आप कुकिंग इसमें कर सकते हैं. प्लस अनदर वे ऑफ हैविंग इट इज एम्प्टी स्टमक इन द मॉर्निंग. इट हैज major health benefits. It will give you all the good enzymes. It will alkaline your body, and as you know, your body has to be alkaline and not acidic to stay healthy, to reduce all the ill effects of the food that we eat from outside and everything, to make it more stronger, to improve your immunity. It is important. So what you can do is have 2 teaspoons of this oil, coconut oil. It should be virgin coconut oil in the morning. Just have it like a shot. And if you want, you can just have some sips of hot water or warm water after that. It will really help you to cool down your stomach. And you can have it like 5 days a week. It will really help you. And slowly you can start with just maybe twice a week, then increase the intake every day that you can start having. And another good thing about coconut oil, which I must say, is for your dental regime. Dental problems here? People who are suffering from dental problems, toothaches, gum problems, so what happens is you can do oil pulling with it. I think everyone must be knowing about oil pulling. Any questions to ask on that? Okay, so
oil pulling.
Yes.
I don't know, ma'am. What is that? This is new to me. Sorry to interrupt.
Okay.
you.
No, great. So oil pulling is a method by which it is for your oral hygiene. It is the most important thing to do. It has been being followed in the world, I can say. If you will go back to ancestral history, you can see how oil pulling has helped so many people. They don't need to go to a dentist only. If you're doing oil pulling every day, I would recommend it at least thrice a week. आप एक दिन छोड़ के एक दिन कर सकते हैं. It is a very simple method. So you can take the virgin coconut oil and just take 2 spoons of it in your mouth, and then you have to swish it around. Sorry, I will look funny doing it, but I will have to show it, otherwise you won't know. So you have to do like this. So you start with, say, 2 minutes. you will not be able to do 2 minutes से ज़्यादा. Then धीरे 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 आपको आदत पड़ जाएगी. You have to reach a level of reaching up to 8 to 10 minutes. So if you start doing this regime of oil pulling, your dental problems will just vanish. I'm 100% sure. Abhi in Corona times, I had major pain in my gums, and I didn't want to go to the dentist. I just didn't want to step out. So what I did was I started doing this oil pulling, which I had stopped in the middle. इसलिए मेरे को problem हो गई थी. So when I started doing this again, just within a week, I was all fine. My teeth have become stronger. In fact, they've become more whiter, and the gums have become more stronger. As we are aging, हमारे gums में ना हमारे दांतों के बीच में जगह बननी शुरू हो जाती है. So oil pulling is very important to do for us. People who are 50 plus, 60 plus, 70 plus, 80 plus. क्या होता है ये जब जगह बननी शुरू हो जाती है इसमें सब अटकना शुरू हो जाता है खाना when we are eating and all. So it's not good because अंदर पूरा वो रह जाता है फिर कीड़े बन जाते हैं. And to avoid all these things we have to do oil pulling. We can use it with do it with coconut oil, or now in winter season even sesame oil. So it has this coconut oil has vitamin E, which really helps us to make our teeth and our gums stronger. That's why I'm recommending it. And again, if there are any more queries, you can always go back to Care for Parents, or you can directly contact me. I'm always ready to help you out with it, to explain it again, because I want everyone to benefit with this system of oil pulling.
I think you still haven't completed the process.
Sorry?
Because when the new person said, I am not very sure of how the process is done and what it is.
Yeah.
Aapne kiya tha, we have to swash that oil inside the mouth, but after that, do we have to swallow or do we have to spit it out?
Sorry. So after swishing, we just have to spit it out.
And then can we goggle again continuously after that is done, or we just
after that, the best thing to do is take a cup of hot water, put some turmeric, put a dash of salt, and gargle. This will take care of your whole day. आपको खांसी जुकाम भी नहीं होगा, plus आपका जो पूरा dental regime है वो भी एकदम ठीक हो जाएगा. And if you want, you can sip some hot water after this, or maybe some kadha after this. After doing this dental treatment, make some with giloy, with ginger, with turmeric. आजकल तो बहुत popular है ये सब चीजें. एक छोटा सा काढ़ा, you can put a dash of honey in it, a dash of lime, pudina. Just have that, just sip that and have. So this will take care of.
What I have read in the books are the things is, they always say that it is best to do it early in the morning or in the night time. Or can I do it after the dinner or after lunch? Or is there any particular time which is very beneficial?
Best is the morning time.
Morning time, okay.
Best is morning time, because after sleeping, after fasting for so many hours, you wake up, and what happens is you have to do it before brushing. So जो आपके मुंह में आपके जो bacteria होते हैं, what happens, these are actually good bacteria. I don't know how people are aware of it or not. These are all good enzymes which are there in our mouth. People think कि बहुत stink आ रहा है ये, it is not good, but actually it is the best thing to do. Before brushing, if you do oil pulling, it is most beneficial क्योंकि वो good enzymes भी आपके system में चले जाते हैं फिर. Knowingly and unknowingly. Yes.
Thank you.
Yeah, welcome. So this was about coconut oil. And now I can go on to apple cider vinegar. So here it is. So this is the apple cider vinegar that we have. And it is becoming so popular nowadays, apple cider vinegar. See this apple cider. The only thing that I would recommend is to have this apple cider vinegar with mother. This is with mother. तो आप देखेंगे transparent नहीं है. It is, जैसे मटमैला सा है थोड़ा. Because it has mother in it. Apple का mother होता है, उसका जो थोड़ा अंश होता है, which is very beneficial. It goes in our system and really benefits us. So do people have diabetes here? People are suffering from high insulin levels, diabetes. Okay, so if anyone has diabetes and high insulin levels, you can start having apple cider vinegar. So, but the only condition is it should be raw, organic, unfiltered, and with mother. अगर आप ये सब वाला वैल्यू वाला एप्पल साइडर विनेगर नहीं लेंगे तो उसका इतना फायदा नहीं होगा. There are many brands in the market. You can just take or you can contact us. We deliver everywhere. So why diabetic should have apple cider vinegar? It is fermented apple juice. It has acetic acid and it alkalines your body. So what happens is it releases insulin in the pancreas, and insulin is a hormone which is required to take care of your insulin of your sugar levels in the body. It cuts out the fat that is stored in our membranes inside our tissues. The apple cider vinegar cuts out that all out, throws it out of your system, and if that is done, your diabetes, your high insulin levels are taken care of. So to avoid high insulin levels, to reduce the levels of your sugar levels which go high by eating wrong and maybe even by stress, there's so many ways you can get all these things. You can easily control them by having apple cider vinegar. Best would be if you have it after your meal, like a shot. Just have 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar after your meals, or if you like it, have it in the morning. 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar with a teaspoon of honey. If you want, if you find it too pungent, too sour, just put some honey in it and put some hot water in it and just sip it like tea. You can even add some mint leaves to it if you like. It'll give it a better flavor. That is how I like it, and it is very beneficial for that. So that is why apple cider vinegar is very important for all of us to have as we are aging. Even if we are not diabetics right now, maybe in the coming years, slowly, our system will become weaker, immunity will become lower. So it can lead towards diabetes. To avoid it also, we should just start having it. Have it like twice or thrice a week, maybe. It will really, really help you. And another thing is people who are suffering from cancer. Nowadays, cancer has become so common. Every 5th person in the world, if you will talk to, has cancer nowadays. So again, what is cancer? Cancer cells are formed if your insulin levels are high in your body. Slowly, they will be there in your fats will be stored in your body, and dhire it is converted into diabetes. Then diabetes, if not taken care of, can convert into cancer also. So what happens? A damage in the mitochondria. What is mitochondria? It is a mitochondria creates energy in our cells, in our body. It is an energy creation center of our body. So what happens? It is an energy factory which is created by the mitochondria, which gives us energy in the body. And then it is an antioxidant which is formed inside our body. By having apple cider vinegar, we can make this, we can invite antioxidant in our body. It is very important to have apple cider because it has pectin in it, a chemical, natural chemical which is there in our body. In apples, which is pectin, which helps in reducing diabetes. So it is prebiotic basically. Pectin is a prebiotic meal, you can say, which is there present in the apple. So through the apples, it is converted into apple cider vinegar by fermentation, and good bacteria is formed, which slowly kills all these cancer cells. So it is very important for people who are having cancer. They can really see the benefits. You can try it out. But of course, I would always suggest, please consult your doctor if you have such chronic illnesses before starting anything new. Just don't try it blindly because somebody is recommending it to you. It is a general way that I'm saying that apple cider vinegar is good for cancer patients too. And another thing it is good for is menopause. People who are menopausing, women, when they're menopausing, they go through mood swings, they go through so many problems in their stomach aches, thigh aches, and we all know what we all go through. So if we start having apple cider vinegar every day, we can include it in our diet. If you don't like it raw, put it in your salads, put it in, maybe in your, if you're having shikanji, just put a dash of it to it instead of lemons. Have shikanji made out of apple cider vinegar. You can have it in various ways, apple cider vinegar. You can use it as a dressing also with your breads and all. You can take some sesame oil. You can take a dash of apple cider vinegar, put some salt and pepper, maybe some oregano chili flakes. Have it with your breads, which you will eat every day. Another form through which you can have apple cider vinegar. Any questions on apple cider vinegar? Okay, so now I will go.
Miss, can I ask you a question?
Yes, sure.
Yeah, this apple cider vinegar, you said,
Yeah.
is it okay if a person who has got irritable bowel syndrome, those persons have those type of bloating stomach and those things? Because whenever I tell my wife to consume this apple cider with water or things, she feels that it irritates her more. Stomach gut system seems like irritated more. Is there any reason that is it because of that?
So it can be. See, like everything doesn't suit everyone. You have to try it. So maybe her body type, it is not suiting her. Since you're saying it irritates her more, definitely then she should not go in for it, because that means it's not suiting her. It's like, it's not that everything will suit everyone. You have to try it. So she has tried it and it's not suited her. So maybe, alternate can be vitamin C. Unko agar lena hai to reduce all this, she can go in for amla juice. Fresh amla juice, or maybe amla juice. Oranges and lemons ka. Aajkal to amla ka season aa gaya hai. You can start having amla juice. You can try that.
I understand. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you. So now I will go in for another thing that we have here is rose water. So friends, this is rose water, which is, again, it has been used in all our ancestors have been using rose water forever. It is excellent to look young and beautiful. And tell me, who doesn't want to look like that? It is anti-aging. It is the best remedy for skin care problems. It has, removes wrinkles. It is antioxidant. It keeps our skin hydrated. And our grandmothers have been using it for generations. And slowly, we have to start using it to get all these benefits. And, it really is rejuvenating your skin. If you use rose water every day, just put it on a damp cotton swab, just a few drops of rose water, and just dab it all over your skin. Or maybe put it in some face packs, which you can make at home. If you want more recipes for all these things, you're more than welcome. I can help you out for skincare recipes, for cooking recipes. We have a whole lot of them. I can share them with you. And the rose water tightens our skin tissues actually. So it is a hydrosol which really helps you to look younger. It is anti-aging. Plus the aroma is so good. It really helps you to de-stress also. If you're very tired, if you just put a few drops of rose water on your pillow and sleep at night, आपकी सारी anxiety, आपका सारा stress level सब गायब हो जाएगा. Just sniff it and just sleep. And you will be sleeping so well like a baby. All your headaches, your depression, it is antidepressant to smell rose water. And it has such good, it is raw, absolutely preservative free, this rose water. So it really is so magical कि आपको बहुत अच्छी नींद आती है इसको sniff करके सोने से. And you will sleep better. And in today's time, getting this good sleep is very, very important. So friends, this was all about the cold pressed oils, which we need to have, in our systems. Another thing which I would tell you is you should always go in for, it's just a suggestion, certified things, like certified oils, certified foods. Because what happens is when it is certified, especially USDA certified, like all our products are USDA certified. So people have to pay in a lot of money to get in the certification, organic certifications and everything. So eventually, whatever they will give you will be the purest form. Because certification aise milega hi nahi. You have to go through all the processes and everything. They do all the in the labs, they test everything, and then you will get a certification for your product. So USDA is the highest form of certification for an organic body, which we have at SoFresh. And if you want to order something, you can always order on www.sofresh.in, or you can contact Care for Parents and they will give you all the details. Another thing that we have to focus nowadays is on the fruits and vegetables that we are eating. So say like things like now winter season vegetables are coming in, methi, all the leafy vegetables, palak, pudina, all the lettuce. People are very fond of all different types of lettuce, Swiss chards and everything. We grow everything at our farms and it is all certified, and you'll get the purest things to eat. You're more than welcome to come to the farm and have a look or choose your patch. We can grow for you what you want and we can deliver it to your homes. You can pluck from here and take whatever you want. More than welcome, friends. You can take all the details again, I'm saying, from Care for Parents, and definitely get in touch whenever you want.
Thank you so much, It was very interesting. Anybody else would like to ask any question? Anyway, thank you so much, Komalji. It's about time also. And my request to everyone is that those who have any queries or need any help, may please send us a message on our helpline WhatsApp number, and we can try to connect you with Mr. Komal Jain and maybe try to resolve your queries. So you're most welcome to send us all your queries, doubts, or requirements, what you have, and then we can connect it to Komalji. Thank you so much, everybody, for joining in. And it was a nice session today to listen to her experience and her expertise. And of course, we would like to meet again next month. And wishing everybody a very happy Diwali. And let's celebrate this Diwali in a safe way and safe and a healthy way. Thank you, everyone.
I would also like to thank Care for Parents for giving me this beautiful and wonderful program. Thank you so much, and happy Diwali to everyone.
Thank you.